reproduction by leaves. This all types are asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction means where there is a gametic fusion. Gametic fusion means male gamete sperm and female gamete fuses with each other and it forms zygote. Okay, in some cases that zygote developed into embryo and inside the mother body, and in some cases the zygote forms outside the mother body. Okay, so here last we discussed it is determined by the three population properties. And what was the properties? Three population properties. This is three. The age of the individual at the time of first reproduction. That means first reproduction er khetre age, it is very 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 important factor. As for example, human der khetre female der 18, male der 21. Why? কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে কিছু কিছু জায়গায় যেখানে বাল্যবিবাহ বা চাইল্ড ম্যারেজ হয় সেক্ষেত্রে কি দেখা গেছে? সেক্ষেত্রে দেখা গেছে মায়ের অপুষ্টিজনিত কারণে বেবি ইম্যাচিওর, অ্যান্ড অন দ্যাট টাইম মাদার ওয়াজ আনএবল টু প্রোভাইড প্রপার নিউট্রিশন, প্রোভাইড হিউজ অ্যামাউন্ট অফ ফিড অফ ব্রেস্ট মিল্ক টু nascent people, nascent baby. That's why that brings the death of not only baby, death of mother also. Okay, এই কারণেই ঠিক করা হয়েছে the minimum age of female is 18 and maximum age is 21. Same thing happens in all animals. That means their reproductive ability. That means reproductive ability means, as for example, the cow, dog, until and unless the female and not able to produce mature ovum, they will not fertilize. So number 2, the initial interval between the one reproductive occasion and the next. Depending on this, our body also developed different cycles. In mammals, there is 2 types of cycle in human body, in human female. One is menstrual cycle that occurs in the gap of 28 days, and within that period, if the ovum fertilized by sperm, then the female become pregnant and it will stay until the birth of the new baby occurs. And in this time period, no production of any type of ovum. Not only that, nature also produce some strict phenomenon. That means during the breastfeeding of the new baby, that time also inhibit the ovulation. Not only ovulation, it inhibit the fertilization process by ovum, fertilization of ovum by sperm. Another thing, in cow, dog, cat, they have stress cycle. That means once in a year or 2 times in a year. Okay, their ovum produce huge number in yearly or 2 times in a year. Okay, so they are giving birth either yearly once or 2 times in a year. So their reproductive cycle is known as stress cycle. Now, the number of individual produced in each occasion or class size, that means the number of individual produced in each occasion or class size, that means in tropical ecosystem, the class size of some plants, insects, bird or even small mammals are smaller than their temperate counterparts. তার মানে কি হচ্ছে, যেখানে ট্রপিক্যাল রিজিয়নগুলোতে যেখানে হচ্ছে সেখানে আমি আগেই বললাম, যেমন ক্যাটারপিলারের প্রোডাকশান তাদের কার উপর ডিপেন্ডেবল? জুট লিপের উপর ডিপেন্ডেবল। কেন? কারণ সেই ক্যাটারপিলারগুলো জুট পেস্ট যে ক্যাটারপিলার, জুট পেস্টের যে ক্যাটারপিলার, তারা জুট লিফ ফিড করে, ফলে তারা সেই সময়ে ডেভেলপ করে। ফলে যদি একটা কোনো কোল্ড এরিয়া যায় আর একটা যদি নর্মাল এরিয়া থাকে, অবভিয়াসলি the rate of produce of individual or class size টা কি হবে normal যেখানে favorable temperature there will be much more than the hostile situation. Here it is a survivorship curve. Here 3 idealized pattern of survivorship curve. In 1, that means here it is number of survivors. Survivors means those organisms which can survive in a specific area, and this is age scale, that means arithmetic scale, which is increases in O x-axis and O y-axis number of survivors. So in I, the probability of death remains slow throughout the life, and most individuals die when old. Many reach very old age. So see, this is number of survivors 1000, the death rate when it is old age. So this bow-shaped curve in 1. The curve 2 denotes a constant number of individuals die per unit time and is observed rodents in birds. That means 2 here. After death, like the lifespan of loving bird or love bird is 1 to 15 years or 12 years. After that they will die. So here there it is a straight line that forms triangle. And another thing, the curve 3 shows that most of the individual die when young. It is seen many plants and insects. That means in plants and insects what happen, as for example, the butterfly can live only 3 to 5 days. The paddy plant in young, when their fruit becomes mature, the cereals become mature, they will die. So in this case, the curve is like this pattern. Okay. So the data of natality and mortality can often be considered together along with the information of ages and sexes of individual, forming life tables. These life tables are used estimating the rise or decline in population. That means if we plotted in numbers of survivors and age in arithmetic limit scale and physiological limit as well as environment, so we can easily construct a life table for any individual. So in next class we will discuss the population pyramid, different types of population pyramid, and again survivorship curve along with population pyramid.